According to the US Bureau of Statistics, close to 1/4 of Americans were already working from home before the COVID crisis. As the effects of COVID continue to exist, remote work is looking like part of the new normal. Despite your new digital environment, if you're still manually managing your HR processes with endless email chains and Excel spreadsheets, you're likely not only losing time but money too. The energy you spend on repetitive HR tasks could be spent more productively. With Factorial's human resource software, you can track employee working hours, run performance reviews, generate reports, manage shifts and employee expenses, simplify recruitment, safely and securely store employee documents, request e-signatures, and more. Now, how's that for coverage? Save yourself time, money, and more importantly, a headache by simplifying your HR in an all-in-one digital solution. Factorial, the easy-to-use, complete human resource software to streamline your HR processes so you can spend time on what's most important, supporting your employees as they work remotely.